Are you ready to transform your free time into cash? Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just earn some extra income, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing some of the best platforms for finding online side hustle gigs. Stick around because you won't want to miss these top tips. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into it. Let's get started with tip number 1, Upwork.com. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms, which is perfect for finding diverse online gigs. You can offer services ranging from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing. Now, to help you get started, I recommend that you create a detailed profile highlighting your skills and your experience. You can use a professional photo and write a compelling bio. Now, when applying for gigs, I recommend that you tailor your proposals to each job. I suggest that you highlight relevant experience and explain how you can add value to the project. For instance, if you're applying for a social media management gig, you can mention your past experiences and successes and include specific metrics to showcase your impact. I also recommend that you take advantage of Upwork's skill tests to demonstrate your expertise. These tests can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Remember, building a strong profile and gathering positive reviews are key to landing higher paying gigs. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is Fiverr. Fiverr.com is another fantastic platform for freelancers, particularly for creative and digital services. Here you can offer gigs starting at just $5, but don't be fooled, many freelancers earn much more through upselling and offer more premium services. I recommend that you start by identifying a niche where you excel. I then suggest that you create gigs with clear, attractive titles and descriptions. You can use high quality images and videos to showcase your best work. For example, if you're a graphic designer, I recommend that you include a portfolio of your best designs. This visual appeal can make a big difference in attracting more clients. I also recommend that you consider offering packages with different levels of different service. For instance, a basic logo design might start at around $50, while a more complex design with multiple revisions and a faster delivery time could be priced higher. This tiered approach can help you maximize your earnings on the platform. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is ideal for those who prefer hands-on work and local gigs. It connects taskers with people who need help with various tasks, such as home repairs, cleaning, or even assembling furniture. Now, to help you get started, you need to sign up and create a profile showcasing your skills and your availability. I then recommend that you set competitive rates based on the tasks that you can perform. For instance, if you're offering handyman services, research what others in your area charge and set your prices accordingly. Providing exceptional service can lead to positive reviews and repeat clients. I recommend that you use the app to stay organized and manage your tasks efficiently. TaskRabbit also offers insurance for certain tasks, giving you peace of mind while you are at work. It's a great way to earn extra income, especially if you enjoy helping others and working with your hands. Let's now move on to tip number 4, Etsy. If you're a creative entrepreneur, Etsy is the go-to platform for selling handmade and vintage items, as well as craft supplies. I recommend that you start by identifying a niche product, or you can create or source one. This could be anything from handmade jewelry and custom art to vintage clothing. I then recommend that you create a shop with a catchy name and an appealing branding. High quality photos are crucial on Etsy, so I recommend that you invest time in taking clear, attractive images of your products. I also suggest that you write detailed descriptions that highlight the unique aspects and craftsmanship of each item. I also suggest and recommend highly that you engage with your customers by responding promptly to inquiries and provide excellent customer service. You can also encourage buyers to leave reviews, as positive feedback can boost your shop's visibility and credibility. Consistently adding new products and promoting your shop on social media can also help you to massively grow your business. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is Teachable. Teachable is perfect for those who want to share their knowledge and create online courses. Whether you're an expert in marketing, photography, or even cooking, Teachable allows you to build and sell courses on your own branded school. I recommend that you start by identifying a topic that you're passionate about and you have good knowledge about. I then suggest that you outline your course content, breaking it down into modules and small lessons. You can use a mix of video, text, and quizzes to keep your students engaged. For example, if you're teaching a photography course, you could include video tutorials, downloadable resources, and interactive assignments. I then recommend that you promote your course through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with other influencers in your niche. I suggest that you offer a free mini course or a discount to attract initial students. Once you build a reputation for delivering high quality content, you can then scale your income by creating more online courses. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, is a platform for microtasks, which are small, simple tasks that can be completed quickly. These tasks can include data entry, surveys, and content moderation. While the pay task is generally quite low, it can add up if you complete multiple tasks quite efficiently. I recommend that you sign up and browse available tasks to find ones that match your current skills. You can use tools like Turk Opticon to check requester ratings and ensure you're working with reliable employers. I suggest you focus on tasks you can complete quickly and accurately to maximise your earnings. MTurk can be a great way to earn extra money in your spare time, especially if you enjoy repetitive tasks. Keep an eye out for higher paying opportunities and remember that consistent performance can lead to better tasks and higher pay over time. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a subscription-based job board specialising in remote and flexible job opportunities. Unlike other platforms, FlexJobs screens all job listings for legitimacy, ensuring you only see high-quality, scam-free opportunities. This can save you both time and effort in your job search. I recommend that you create a profile and resume that highlights your skills and experience, which is relevant to remote work. I also suggest that you use keywords that match the types of jobs that you're seeking to do. For example, if you're looking for remote customer service roles, include specific skills like customer support and remote communication. I also recommend that you take advantage of FlexJobs career resources such as resume reviews, career coaching, and webinars. These can help you improve your job search strategy and increase your chances of landing a gig. Remember, the investment in a FlexJob subscription can pay off with access to exclusive, high-quality job listings. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour is a freelancing platform that connects clients with freelancers for project-based work. It's particularly popular in the UK and Europe, but it's open to freelancers worldwide. I recommend that you start by creating a profile that showcases your expertise and your previous work. You can then bid on projects that match your skills and your interests. I suggest that you write personalised proposals that address the client's needs and explain how you can deliver good value. For example, if you're a web developer, you can mention your experience with specific technologies and include links to your portfolio. I suggest that you build a strong reputation by delivering high quality work and maintaining good communication with your clients. Positive reviews and repeat business can help you stand out on the platform and attract more opportunities. Consistently updating your profile and adding new skills can also keep you very competitive. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business and will help you generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And also don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.